Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can install iPhone camera app on your Android. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is simply open your Play Store application on your Android phone. Just like this, here you can see Play Store right here. Open it. And after opening it, now what we're going to do is simply tap on the search icon that you can see right here. After tapping on search icon right here, now we'll have to tap on the search bar that you can see on the top right here. After doing that, here you can see our keyboard has been opened. Now we'll have to type iCamera. So after typing iCamera, tap on the search button on your keyboard. And after doing that, here you can see there are various types of camera that you can install. I would recommend you to install this particular application that you can see right here, since it has been installed by 50 million plus people and the reviews are also good. So you can tap on any of the application that you want to install, just like this one. And here you can see I have already installed this application. If you haven't installed, there will be an install button. All you have to do is simply tap on the install button. I'll show you the other app. So we're going to go back. And here, for example, I want to install this application. I'm going to tap on it. And here you can see a install button just like this. Simply tap on it. And here you can see now the installation process will begin. And within few minutes, the installation process will succeed and it will automatically be installed on your phone. So after it being installed on your phone, you will get these two options on install and open. All you have to do is simply tap on open and open this application. And here you can see this is the application, and here you'll get a lot of settings. For on the top right here, you can see these are the filters options. So if you tap on it, you can choose any of the filters that you like. For example, here you can see there are a lot of filters that you can choose from, and you can even tap on this store option in order to go to the store. So if you tap on any of those filters like this, here you can see now this says purchase. You have to pay in order to use these filters. So we're going to go back, and again on our camera here you can also see this home icon. If you tap on it like this, here we'll get to the home page of this application, and here you can see the gallery of this application. So if you tap on the gallery option, it will show you all of the photos that you clicked from this app, and here you can even edit photo, cut out it, and even post it on Instagram through it, and many more options. So we're again going to go back. So if you see in the top left corner right here, you can see the flash option right here. If you tap on this option like this, now your flash is on automatic. And if you again tap on it, now your flash is open, and like this you can use this camera. Here you can also get the video option. Here you can see the zooming option. If you tap on this square option like this, here you can see now your camera is squared, so you will get a squared photo. So here you can see a lot of more features like Pro, Food, and many more. And yeah, that is it. This was the way that you can install iPhone camera on your Android. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.